The Fluke T5-1000 voltage, continuity, and current tester is a compact yet powerful tool designed to make electrical testing faster, safer, and more accurate for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its robust construction and intuitive interface allow users to measure voltage, continuity, and current in a variety of circuits with confidence. This device combines essential testing functions into one handheld tool, reducing the need for multiple meters and simplifying electrical troubleshooting. One of the most impressive features of the T5-1000 is its ability to measure AC and DC voltage up to 1000 volts, making it suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. The continuity testing is quick and precise, giving audible feedback to indicate whether a circuit is complete. This function alone is invaluable for diagnosing wiring issues, identifying breaks, or verifying connections. The current measurement capability allows users to monitor amperage without disconnecting wires, saving time and improving efficiency during maintenance or installation tasks. Durability and reliability are at the core of Fluke's design philosophy, and the T5-1000 is no exception. The casing is rugged and resistant to impacts, protecting the internal electronics from drops and rough handling in busy work environments. The display is clear and easy to read, with indicators for voltage type and measurement range, reducing the chance of user error. Additionally, the built-in non-contact voltage detection adds an extra layer of safety by alerting users to live wires before contact, which is crucial for avoiding accidents. Portability and ease of use further enhance the T5-1000's appeal. Its lightweight design allows it to be carried in a tool pouch or pocket, and its single-hand operation makes testing in tight spaces more manageable. The included test leads are well-insulated and durable, ensuring safe and reliable contact during measurements. The meter provides fast, accurate readings that help users quickly diagnose and solve electrical problems without frustration. Overall, the Fluke T5-1000 voltage, continuity, and current tester is a versatile, reliable, and professional-grade tool that combines essential electrical testing functions into one compact device. Its durability, accuracy, and safety features make it ideal for electricians, technicians, and serious DIYers alike. For anyone seeking a high-performance multimeter that is dependable, user-friendly, and built to last, the T5-1000 stands out as one of the best options on the market, delivering consistent results and peace of mind with every measurement.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.